Hi, I'm James with J&C Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to run electrical wires through a wall. There may be several different reasons you may want to be running wires through your wall. You may be wanting to relocate one of your plugs, maybe you want to relocate one of your switches. It could be a different, you may be wanting to run surround sound wires in your wall. There could be a lot of different reasons why you're wanting to do this. Basically, it's fairly simple to do. You just need to have your starting point where you're going to run your wire from and an ending point where your wire is going to come out at. You can do it a couple of different ways, but the easiest way is to have your hole poked in the wall already somewhere where your wire is going to go down, and then you actually going to pop a hole in the wall down towards the bottom. What we're going to do is we're going to relocate a plug, and we're going to run the wires for it. So you've got to have a hole somewhere where you can run the wire down to be able to connect to your power source, and then we'll pop a hole down in the bottom of the wall, and we'll go ahead and fish the wire out, and it'll set up the hole for the new wherever the new plug is going to go.